Literally just pop, pop, pop. All right, man, we boarded on. They be right here. What's good, everybody, man? LiQWYD back at it with another video. So, leaving from the last video with the Turo and all that, I got the lights. I swear every time I start one of my videos, some loud ass vehicle drives by. But I got the light. That old girl messed up. And what I told y'all last video. A little simple install. Make sure I don't drop it. Let's see, man. Literally just pop, pop, pop. We get this one. Throw it in there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's see if it's this side first. No, it's not. And I hate how easy that is to come out. That one's going up. This one's not going up. We got a problem. Yup, we do got a problem. This is supposed to be going up. Just like this. Ah, shit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So we got a major ass problem. So this is a genuine OEM Nissan part, which is the one that is cracked, as y'all see. It clearly says Japan L. So I don't know if that stands for left or what the hell is going on. So whenever I went and ordered this piece, which is this piece, I automatically asked for the right passenger. And yeah, man, shit does not fit. And on here, this is made in Taiwan and this is made in Japan. So I don't know if in Taiwan right means left or left means right, or in Japan left means right, or what the hell is going on. I'm about to have to go swap this shit out. If it ain't one thing, it's another, man. So I'm sure this will fit over here. Let me see. Yep. But I don't get that shit. Like, it even has an R on there. So, and this is the left side. I'm like confused. I'm confused as hell, y'all. Y'all comment down below if I'm a dumbass. No. So we got, let me see. Now I could actually see the damages that old girl did, which is right there. It's shoved in a little bit. And damn. So I'm gonna pretty much just take this to O'Reilly's and ask for this exact part. Damn, man. Damn. Where my box at? Ain't that some shit? Just keep that in there. I'm gonna just keep that how that is, so we don't lose that piece. Y'all can't make this shit up, man. This shit is happening to me every vehicle I get. So let me call that ass. All right, man. So I know I told y'all I had some news for y'all next video, and this is the news, man. I'm in my garage And here it is. The bike is gone. My bike's gone. Terrell's bike's gone. Only Spike's bike is here. I don't know if Spike's gonna sell his bike. It's cold as hell, so really no reason in having bikes at the moment. Well, I'm gonna get my bike back, not the same bike, but the actual bike I want, the FZ09. But you know, temporarily, man, I'd rather have some bread in my pocket, especially with what I got going with Turo. Got my light replaced finally. Let me show y'all that. Man, I can't believe that girl tried that shit with me. But as y'all see, got that one on. I got that one on. Crazy shit, man, because when I bought the light, I swear me and Buddy ordered the right passenger light. It came in as soon as y'all seen right there when I tried to put it in, it was just acting weird as hell. It didn't fit, obviously. One was made in Japan, one was made in Taiwan. But back to the bikes, little update. Spike still got his bike. I'm gonna talk to Spike so I can give y'all an update on if he's selling the bike or not. Y'all can get first dibs on it if he does sell it. I don't know if he's gonna keep it and turn it into a track bike. I am getting my FZ09 probably beginning of the year. I also have a baby on the way, so really a bike isn't on my priority. Right now I'm trying to actually get a secondary car because this is gonna be my personal use car. And the second car I get will be listed on Turo, and that'll be my, you know, income coming in for me, my other side income coming in. So it'll be, like I told y'all last video, on the Turo video, it'll be Turo, neighbor, because I got that trailer right there. I'm making income off of that. And also my regular work from Baylor Hospital. And I have a side business that I don't really mention. That's good money coming in. And it'll also be Lyft. I don't know if I'm gonna be driving for Lyft or not. So I kind of want to stop doing work and having work to work for me to make my money. So that's when Turo comes in. All you do is list your car and they drive it. Neighbor, you just give them space. I don't want to work for the money. I want the money to work for me, and I want my assets to work for me. So I ain't gonna get into the financial stuff, but I'm thinking way deep and far ahead, man. I'm trying to work as less as I can in the future, especially with a second baby on the way. What else? Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm about to get ready to head to work. I'm letting my car warm up as I'm doing this vlog. Gotta clean the garage out. It's about, I know I've been saying this for the longest, man. We go to Colorado in a couple days, and yeah, probably next video, y'all will see us out in Colorado. And Terrell sold his bike. I don't know how much he got it for. It's about, I think he sold it for $3 grand or something like that. And I got rid of my bike for $3 grand. I had it listed for about a week and a half. Well, I had it listed for about 2 weeks. I had it listed for $4 grand. Brought it down to 35. Oh, going from $4 grand to 37 to 35 to 32, and from 32 to 3. I bought it for 3. So whatever. I didn't lose money. My wife was a little pissed off I didn't make profit. I was a little pissed off I didn't make profit, but like I said, me selling that bike is about to put way more money in my pocket. So y'all will see, man. It's a process, and leaps of faith, a whole bunch of stuff you got to do in order to make money, and that's all I'm about, man. Financial freedom, baby. But other than that, I'm about to get ready to head to work. Still got my helmet. I'll talk to y'all a little bit more on, you know, what's next. Other than that, man, I'm about to get ready to head to work. Hope y'all like the video, and I'll see y'all here in a minute.
Once again, boarding all rows. United Airlines Flight 334, service to Newark, here at gate E5.
What's good, everybody, man? Got my wife. Say hi, lady. So, we're at the airport, as y'all see. We boarded in about 15-20 minutes. Sorry, y'all can't see my lips move, but I am talking. We actually got a new mic on the vlog setup, so hopefully y'all can hear me clear, even though I'm talking low. We got some little sausage rolls from the pretzel place. She over here being bad. Hi. So yeah, we'll probably land in about 2.5 to 3 hours. And yeah, we'll see y'all in Colorado. We'll see y'all in Denver. Alright, man, we boarded on. They be right here. Other chicken over there. Flash. Oh, other chicken over there.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.